What is going on, guys? He's got some car parts, so let's open it up. So this is not a how to do or DIY channel, so I didn't film anything of me actually putting it on. I've got one side on and it's kind of just a mock-up still because we have self-tappers in the corners, 3M taped, but we're not, I don't think I'm gonna do it and keep it like that. You guys can see from my last setup, my rear and front bumpers are messed up. Actually no, I am gonna get a whole front bumper, I think, and just replace the whole thing. And then add canards or maybe custom make one of those front pieces. But yeah, for now this is what it looks like for one side. It's not bad. I need to lower the car though, because it's basically stock fitment, and stock fitment is a lot of gapping, a lot. But there's imperfections right here. See how it's kind of poked out a little bit? This was supposed to be a little bit up more, I believe. But it's not a big deal. Same thing with that one, and I'm guessing it's gonna be the same on the other side. But just some Bondo work and stuff like that before we paint it or wrap it. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. But yeah, so far that's how that one side is. We're gonna go and do the other side. Hey guys, so it's actually a brand new day now. It was getting kind of dark. I had to do some fiddling with the bumpers and stuff like that. So now I'm getting a car wash. This would be the first time you guys are gonna see the whole kit on the car. So there was actually a long line waiting for the stall or whatever for the car washing, so I felt kind of bad standing there and videotaping my car. So we're gonna do it right now. So far, the kit is on. Of course, far from perfect. Got a lot of things to do. Lowering, wrap, color, whatever, painting, aero, stuff like that. So stay tuned. If you guys like this build, if you guys want to find out more about what we're gonna do with this car, please hit the like and subscribe. It really motivates me when I see even 5 people viewing my YouTube channel. Go ahead and comment, tell me what you think about it. I appreciate it a lot. So I guess without further ado, I'll see you guys next time on the next vlog.